Some tools are for the moment, fewer for a lifetime, ours for a legacy. It is a dynamic sculpture that moves at your fingertips, a mechanical artwork carved from a single block of aerospace-grade titanium. We distilled 2 decades of titanium mastery into an instrument of practical precision, core to the heart of the workshop. Every turn, an answer to your quest for perfection. Every lot, a promise of absolute certainty.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I
Not
got
a clash of two planes, but a matrix of 16 precise contact points.
I got
Soft as pebbles, yet delivering absolute geometric stability. The intelligent torque system ensures that every rotation has a boundary, and every lock is accompanied by a reassuring click.
Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to
hear words you can say back. I want you to feel free from the chains of last. Believe in what you got, it was built to last. Reversed, the jaws unify into a zero-tolerance state. Our obsession made manifest. It is a domain of creation, holding the tiniest watching palm, or the largest structure with unwavering certainty. Secure desktop, every operation grounded in tabletop, solid on the wavelength, immovable, no longer confined to a flat plane. Universal swivel base lets your work float freely in space, to be shaped and admired from any angle. In addition, we have also prepared a basic version. It retains all the core functions, while eliminating the universal adjustment, allowing you to choose 1,000 worldwide, no more. Born of obsession. Possession is just a prologue.